Here's a really simple fix for cannot open application errors with Unity builds created from Windows for macOS. First, you're going to need to make sure that you can locate your .app file. You're going to need to drag it into a window in a moment. Next, open the terminal application and enter this one-line command. chmod space -R 777 and then another space, and then drag your .app file into that window. Once you've done that, hit enter. Now test your app. You should have the normal gatekeeper security checks for applications you download from the internet. Last thing, make sure to put your .app file in a folder and then zip it up before uploading it to an online file host. Never directly upload your .app file because it might become corrupted.